Hi there, it's Mackenzie with WTI. Now, I definitely wasn't a huge fan of looking like, little girls, kids' sandals, but these now are like a complete upgrade. These Crocs sandals slide-ons are amazing. Not only is white like such a good color for the nicer weather, these are good for indoor house shoes or going about living your busy life. These are so comfortable. I love that it doesn't matter if they get wet, they dry like nothing. They wash up like a dream. These have like a groove for all the parts in your feet that you need a little extra attention. I love that they're still breathable without making my feet itchy or weird. They may not be fuzzy, but you're definitely going to want to replace your slippers with these. I love these as indoor house shoes, but I know that I am protected should I go outside. Even if you wear them on the grass, they don't take on like the green grass stains at all, which I love. Finding white shoes to do that is huge. These are so versatile, and you can honestly pop out the little Croc symbols because they don't need to necessarily be there. And then you could dress them up a little bit extra if you wanted. These are such a great value. I know you're gonna love them just as much as me, and that's my point of view.